Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. I am really excited today to unbox a wig that I've been dying to try. The wig is the iconic Jon Renau Ignite, but it's the human hair version that is just coming out now. So right now I'm wearing the regular Ignite. I wear it all the time. It's a great throw on and go wig, so easy to take care of. And that's why I was excited to see what the human hair version is like. So we're going to look at it together and see what we think. Stay tuned. Okay, before I get started, I just want to let you know about something special that we're doing with this wig. I'm really excited. Not this wig, the human hair one. This is the synthetic version of Ignite, but I'm going to be unboxing the human hair version. In any case, typically human hair wigs are not returnable, but we were able to work out a deal with Jon Renau where the human hair Ignite will be returnable. We felt this was really important to give people an opportunity to try out human hair without the risk of not being able to return the wig. So we're really excited about that. There is a slight difference in the return policy, so just make sure you read that over before purchasing. Now the human hair Ignite is available for pre-order starting today, and today it's 30% off, so it's a great time to head on over and check that out if you're interested. They will start shipping next Monday, the 24th. All right, now let's get started with the review of the human hair Jon Renau Ignite. I'm so excited to unbox it. Okay, so let's start talking about Ignite in general. This is the regular Ignite, and I've had her for a while, and like I said, I wear her all the time. Just a really great style. Recently, I had somebody contact us and say, I really like Spice Girl or those short bobs, but I want something with a bit more volume on the top. And so I suggested Ignite because Ignite does have more shape here. It has some permatease, and I'm going to just spin for you and show you the whole style so you can see that it has a little bit of volume, and you can really zhuzh this one up because of that permatease in there. But let me just bring it down a little bit before I spin for you. I'm going to show it to you, and then we're going to unbox the new Ignite. I'm so excited. You can see the stacked back here has really great shape. And when I was first looking for a wig, this was the one I wanted. And I always considered this the iconic Jon Renau wig. And as a matter of fact, for their anniversary, they're bringing out this human hair piece and calling it their iconic wig. So I don't know if they heard that from me or if it was just always that. All right, so let's take a look at the human hair piece. Now, let me just say this one is in shaded mocha. I got this in shaded Pralines in cream, which is 1426 S10. Hopefully you can see that there. And now let's take a look. Oh, and before I get started, because I'm going to show you the features on this, the regular Ignite has a lace front, no mono part, but the nice feature, see how it looks like a part here, is that the lace front goes back further. So you did have that extra little added piece that makes it look like you have a part there, but it was not a monofilament part. Okay, so here we go. It comes with this little guide that I took out. And here we go. Okay, let's take off the hairnet here. Okay, so here we go. It looks like it might have a little box hair in the back here. No problem, it's human hair, so I can use my heat and just fix that. All right, let's start out looking at the cap. The cap is very different from your regular Ignite. But if you look here, you have a lace front, and again, it's a deep lace front, and then you have a full mono top. So there's not going to be any permatease on top here, because you have this monofilament. Then, this is hand tied in here. And the beauty of a hand-tied piece is that, first of all, the fibers fall more naturally because they're not sewn on in strips like they are in a wefted wig. And if the wind should blow, you will not see any wefting because there isn't any. All right, and this is actually fully hand-tied. You can see all the way down to the nape. Sometimes manufacturers will say they have a hand-tied, 100% hand-tied cap, but they do have closed wefting down here. Not in this case. This is 100% hand-tied. The ear tabs are so soft and velvety, really soft. Both sides. I'm very excited. This is a beautiful cap. And an extended velvety nape. This velvety material is softer, I think, than any other I've felt. It's really nice. And then you have your Velcro adjusters here. So that's the cap on this one. Okay, so I'm going to take this one off. And we'll put this one on. Now I haven't done anything. I'll just shake it a little bit. Haven't done anything to her. And put her on because we want to see her right out of the box. Okay, so my first impression is that I would probably want to tighten the adjusters a little bit. I definitely have some room there. And just for reference, my measurements, I have a 21-inch circumference. Ear to ear, I'm 12 inches. Forehead to nape, I'm 13 inches. My face is 8 inches. My forehead is 3 inches. And my neck is 3 inches. And I tell you all of that so that you can compare your measurements to mine and have a better idea of how any wig I put on is going to look on you compared to on me. All right, so let's take a look at the lace front so you can see what that looks like there. And we'll look at the mono top. So here's where it's parted right now. Let me see if I can make that part straighter. I'll probably use heat to set the part. I can't really see what I'm doing here in the camera, but I just want to show you that you can see a part wherever I part it. Okay, and now it does have a mono top, so you don't have the permatease on top. It's not as much volume, but it doesn't appear too flat to me. I don't feel like I would need more volume up there. All right, I'm going to spin and show you the style, and then we'll talk about it. And you still have that stacked back there, which is really nice. I love that shape. Really, such a great style. And feels great, feels like human hair, as it should, and so easy to just tuck behind your ear. As far as density goes, this is low density, no permatease, 100% hand-tied cap. Again, I want to stress that permatease is not a bad thing. As I said in my call with that woman this week, she was looking for something with a little more volume on top, and permatease can be really great for that. Okay, so let's take a look at the measurements of Ignite. The bang is 8 inches, so that's exactly right. That's the length of my face. The crown, 6.5 inches. The sides, 5.5 inches. The nape, 2 inches. And the weight, just 2.5 ounces. Now I want to compare those measurements to the Ignite that's in the synthetic fibers, and then we can see if there's any difference at all. Okay, so there is some difference in measurements with the synthetic Ignite. So the crown on the synthetic version is 5.75 inches, where on this human hair piece it's 6.5 inches. The sides on the synthetic are 5.25, while this is 5.5. So far this one's a little bit longer. The nape is 1.5 inches on the synthetic, where it's 2 inches for this one. The bang is 8 inches on both, so that front piece is going to be the same. And the weight on the synthetic is 2.7 ounces, so it weighs 0.2 ounces more. All in all, it's pretty similar, but I would say that this one is a tad longer. Okay, now let's talk about the color. So the color is 1426 S10 Shaded Pralines in Cream. And I want to warn you that the manufacturer's swatch that we received does not match this color. The swatch looks a lot more brown and less warm. This is why I stress watching reviews of wigs and wig colors. The manufacturers do the best they can with the swatches, but there are so many variables that take place. There's the lighting that the photograph is taken under. There's the way that it comes through to you on your computer, and you're looking at your computer in your lighting. There are so many things that can affect the way that things look in a tiny little swatch. It's so much better to see it where somebody's reviewing it and they're taking it in different lighting for you. So I really do recommend that you watch reviews when you're looking at purchasing a color and a style. With style, you'll get to see the movement of the wig in a video versus just the stock photos where, you know, many times they're styled a certain way and they don't look the same as when you get the wig. All right, that being said, the way that this color is described is a warm rooted color, which is very true, a light gold blonde and medium red gold blonde, and shaded with a light brown. So I would say all of that is true, yet the swatch, which I'm going to put up here for you so that you can see it, looks very different to me. As far as how comfortable this wig is, this is so comfortable. I can't get over it. Okay, now let me read the description of this wig to you, and you'll get an idea of what they were going for when they designed it. For over a decade, Ignite has been an iconic Jon Renau style, renowned for its sophisticated angled bob and lifelike movement. Now, in honor of our 40th anniversary, we unveil the ultra-luxurious Ignite human hair, an expansion of our best-selling style. Crafted with our signature smart lace front for an impeccable hairline and the finest Remy human hair, this piece redefines versatility and innovation. Designed for those who appreciate exquisite craftsmanship, Ignite Human Hair features a monofilament top for seamless multi-directional parting and a fully hand-tied cap that moves with grace while adapting to fit petite to average to large sizes. So they're saying this fits the full spectrum of sizes. For the first time ever, we are also introducing exclusive human hair gray blends, masterfully crafted with a heat-resistant fiber and Remy human hair mix to achieve exceptional dimension, vibrancy, and longevity. That's very interesting. So for the grays, they're going to offer a blend of heat-resistant synthetic fibers with the Remy human hair. Very interesting. Whether you seek a polished, refined look or a timelessly chic, everyday style, Ignite Human Hair offers the perfect balance of elegance, comfort, and customization. They really pulled out all the stops with this human hair wig. All right, so let's take a look at the ear tabs and see what kind of coverage we have here. Looks like nice coverage, and I do have a little bit of a space. It's not rubbing on my ear. This gray here is me. That's my regular hair there. Hopefully you can see that. I'll try on the glasses under the ear tabs. No problem. Over the ear tabs. Also, no problem. All right, let's take this color outside. Okay, so here we go. This is the Shaded Pralines in Cream. I'm coming outside here so you can see. And I'll just turn. It's an overcast day, so I think you're getting a pretty accurate depiction of the color here. Doesn't quite look as red as it did under my studio lights, so that's good to see. And this is why I stress it's so important to see colors in all different lighting. You can see how different it looks out here. All right, I'm going to take you through the house. And I'll turn on some lights in here. See that? How it changes? Okay, so this is the human hair version of Ignite. I'm just going to hold up the regular synthetic. Now remember, this is shaded mocha, And you can see you got probably a lot more volume here around the crown area as opposed to this here. I love both versions, I really do. The synthetic version has served me well, and I'm going to be wearing the human hair version. And I'm going to try doing some things with heat to style her also. Maybe just get her a little bit off my face here. I'm not really sure what. I really like the shape of it, so I don't want to mess with it too much. Oh, I wanted to take a look at where the adjusters were. I forgot to check that. Let's take a look. Okay, so they're not adjusted in much. There's plenty of room for me to adjust in, so it definitely could get smaller. And let's look at, oh, and there's plenty of stretch in here. So I could see that this would fit a wide range of sizes, and they're saying that it goes from petite to average to large. So I'll be curious to see, since I don't have a larger head to try it out on, just how large it can go. But there's plenty of stretch in it. Okay, so there you have it, the new human hair version of the Jon Renau Ignite wig. Let me know what you think of it. Also, don't forget you can pre-order starting today, and today it's on sale for 30% off, so you may want to take advantage of that. They will start shipping next Monday on the 24th. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.